So today is another super exciting day for the MDM team and our customers. These are the videos I absolutely love doing. They are unboxing of production new products that are coming out. And I just received a advanced FedEx box with a bunch of production HFA new way to travel. These are now called the Travelers. And these products are just absolutely magnificent. This box is beautiful and gorgeous. This is the new Traveler logo. Houses a tremendous amount of power. And inside we have the new production HFA Traveler. This is utilizing a new type of technology that we've used. This is, I believe, nickel over copper. In the past, the first two generations were nothing but pure copper and silver. And as we had moved on, and our understanding of how things work has grown, you can see just how beautiful these products are. It's the new HFA Traveler. It's small, folks. It's about the length and the width of a credit card and maybe the thickness of an iPhone, maybe even a little less on the corners. And I've done a huge amount of videos around this product over the last 3 or 4 months. I've talked about it, the prototypes that I had. We have documented it when I was skiing, when I was cooking, just making protein bars. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff, and how this product is such a step, it's a cut above what came before it on so many levels. First of all, it's now literally the Traveler because it is portable. The other ones were just geared to put in your mode of transportation, and then they would have to be unlinked and linked when you went out. This is the third generation of a long-running product. It's actually the HFA, A New Way to Travel, was the first product that the first physical product I ever released from MDM. And oddly enough, folks, when that particular product came out, it took 9 months from the idea in my head to get the units actually into the MDM store. Now that I'm thinking about it, this is just around the 9-month mark too, maybe a week or two before or after. So again, it's just the universe, saying, hey, this product is, on a new life cycle. It's just, it's the detail with the laser, the quartz crystal, and it's a whole new vibe. It's a whole new paradigm. And because it is the Traveler, you can take it everywhere with you. And, I'll be doing more videos around this particular product before the launch, but we are getting close. And yeah, so we have just received a bunch of them today, and they'll be in the MDM store. And once we have it professionally photographed, it's all good to go. So this again is the new HFA Traveler, folks. It's just a absolutely beautiful piece of spiritual technology coming to you from the MDM team.